Hello students, today we will discuss the mind map for nitrogen containing compounds. Actually we will do the different reaction that involve cyanides. Now it is a CN group is an important intermediate and it can be converted into many different functional groups. So let us study the different reactions which are important for class 12th. Now RCN, this cyanide group can be introduced into any organic compound from reaction with RCl means alkyl halides की reaction कराते हैं KCN से. On reaction with KCN, this Cl will be replaced by Cn and you will get RCN. Now this RCN can be converted into different functional groups. First is if you do the partial hydrolysis of this, right, the partial hydrolysis means you will add one water molecule in it. So if you are adding one water molecule in it, you will get RCONH2. Clear? On complete hydrolysis or on further hydrolysis of this compound, you can get H2O and H plus. Complete hydrolysis, you will get RCOOH. So this bond will break. This side you will get OH and this side H. So you will get acid. So you can form acid directly from cyanide by complete hydrolysis. Complete hydrolysis. Can write here H2O/H plus. So complete hydrolysis or from hydrolysis of amides you can get the acids. Now this CN group can also be converted into aldehydes. How you can convert CN into aldehydes? You can convert it into RCHO. There are two ways to do this. The first reaction is you treat it with SnCl2 plus HCl. यहाँ पर CH डबल बॉन्ड NH बनेगा, एक हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा and then hydrolysis. So you will get RCHO. This reaction is known as Stephan reduction. Stephan reduction. Clear? Another way is you treat it with dibyl H. Dibyl H is a reducing agent which can selectively reduce cyanides to aldehydes. So these are the two methods to do this reduction. CN can be converted into aldehyde group and you will get aldehydes. Now these aldehydes you can convert to alcohols easily. RCH2OH. You have to do the reduction and reduction can be done by sodium borohydride NaBH4. You can also convert alcohol into aldehyde by weak oxidizing agent like PCC. These alcohols can be converted into acid by oxidation. You can use a strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4 H plus, and you can also convert acids into alcohols by treating with lithium aluminium hydride as a strong reducing agent. So these are the important conversion of carbonyl compounds. Here acids can be converted into alcohol, alcohol can be converted into acid, aldehyde can be converted into alcohol, alcohol can be converted into aldehydes. Now coming to the second side, RCN. It can also be reduced directly to form amines RCH2NH2. You will do the reaction with lithium aluminium hydride LiLH4. You can do catalytic reduction by using hydrogen in presence of catalyst. You can use sodium in presence of alcohol. So by different reducing agent you can convert this directly into amines. Means यहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन ऐड हुए, नाइट्रोजन पे दो हाइड्रोजन and cyanide is converted to amines. Now this is a primary amine, 1 degree amine, and 1 degree amine when they are treated with chloroform CaCl3 plus alcoholic KOH or NaOH, they give RCH2NC isocyanides and they are foul smelling substances. बहुत गंदी स्मेल होती है इनकी. And this reaction is used as a test for primary amines. Both aliphatic and aromatic amines will give this test. 1 degree होना चाहिए, कुछ भी हो सकता है, aliphatic or aromatic. With reaction with chloroform and alcoholic QH, isocyanides are formed. So you can identify the substance from its smell, and this is used as a test for primary amines. Now you can convert acid into amides. You have seen one reaction, amides to acid by hydrolysis. Acids can be converted to amides by reaction with ammonia. Ammonium salt banega, and then heating you will get these amides. RCONH2. This is an important intermediate for Hofmann bromide reaction when it is treated with bromine in presence of alcoholic or aqueous KOH. Base चाहिए इसमें एक reaction में, you will get an amine with 1 carbon less than the parent acid. So एक एमीन मिलेगा और उसमें एक कार्बोनल ग्रुप रिमूव हो जाएगा, CO ग्रुप विल बी रिमूव्ड, एंड दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन फॉर डिसेंट ऑफ सीरीज. मतलब अगर एक कार्बन कम करना है देन वी यूजुअली डू द हॉफमैन ब्रोमाइड रिएक्शन. Clear? So from cyanides you have got the amine with the same number of carbon atoms. You have got the amine with 1 carbon less in the parent acid. यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन थे? एक, और R ग्रुप था. यहाँ पे वो जो ये वाला कार्बन था वो रिमूव हो गया और एक कार्बन कम का तुम्हें एमीन मिल जाएगा. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस RCl, इफ यू ट्रीट इट विद अमोनिया, alcoholic ammonia, you will get RNH2 amine you will get. If you are treating with AgNO2, the Cl will be replaced by NO2 group, and this NO2 group can further be reduced to NH2 group. NO2 group को NH2 में convert करने के लिए we use the reducing agent 10 plus HCl or Fe plus HCl. So metal in presence of hydrochloric acid, this is favored because FeCl3 that is formed the undergo hydrolysis and give HCl back. So nitro compounds can be reduced to amines by using metal in presence of acid, Sn plus HCl or Fe plus HCl. You can also get amine directly from alkyl halides by reaction with alcoholic ammonia. Now this aldehyde you can convert it into alkane, RCH3. Do you remember which reagent will you use? Aldehyde to alkane, you need a reducing agent, and two important name reactions are used, zinc amalgam and HCl, or hydrazine KOH, and the solvent is ethylene glycol. These are two important name reactions. One is Clemmensen reduction. This is Clemmensen reduction, and this is Wolff-Kishner reduction. So I am writing here, this is Wolff-Kishner reduction. These are two important name reactions of aldehydes and ketones. So aldehyde और ketone group, CO group is converted into CH2 group. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिल जाएगा RCH3. You can also obtain this alkane from alkyl halide by reduction with HI in presence of red phosphorus. HI और रेड फॉस्फोरस से चाहे आप एल्काइल हैलाइड का रिडक्शन करो, चाहे अल्कोहल का रिडक्शन करो, एसिड का रिडक्शन करो, you will get alkanes in all the cases. So it is a strong reducing agent which give the final product as alkanes. So starting from cyanides, as you can see, starting from cyanides we have obtained amides, we have obtained acids, we have obtained aldehydes, we have obtained amines directly. So cyanide group is an important functional group which can be converted into different functional groups. Many name reactions have been covered in this topic. I hope you liked the video. Please do share, subscribe it. Thank you.